Here we're going to show you a general installation for an EVO in counter. So you're going to have your utilities lying already inside the cabinet, your water line, drain, and power, and you're already going to have your cutout. You're going to go ahead and take your counter, open up the door, and we're going to take the unit and we're going to prep it for lowering. Okay, so now that we have the system up, we're going to want to take off the blue receptacle. So we're going to lift up on the stainless steel tab, lower the blue receptacle, and take it off of the hinge pin. We're going to disconnect the dew shell connector and the solution line. And we're going to set the receptacle aside. Now we're going to want to take out the number 2 Phillips screws to remove the receptacle hinge. This is going to allow for easy access to your drain on the wall, and your water lines located below. Okay, and now we're going to lower the EVO in counter into the counter. And then we will proceed with hooking up our utilities. Now that we have our water lines hooked up to the TMV, our drain, and the system is plugged in, we've reinstalled our receptacle hinge. We're going to reinstall the receptacle by putting the solution line back on, plugging in the dew shell connector, inserting the receptacle on the bottom hinge, and folding it up. Now we can open the receptacle. Now we're going to place a full container of ultra pure solution into the receptacle by flipping the receptacle down towards you, sliding back the cover to expose the chip, and we're going to put it down in there, and the pierce tube will pierce the top of the cap. Do not open the cap. Container is installed, flip it up, and we're ready to do the onboarding process.